Hello and welcome to today's video of our tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how to use the C-Trans SCM-IQ app to process data and how to train a data model for reference conditions. Usually, after 2 weeks, the connected MS200 sensor has gathered a sufficient amount of data for a reference condition training. We need to make sure that in the selected time frame, the sensor didn't have any issues or downtimes. This is the so-called reference condition. Let's jump right in. To do the model training, we want to explore the data modeling area located on the left-hand side ribbon bar. In this asset list, you find all the assets that have been created in Insights Hub. We navigate to our multi-sensor asset from last video that is already connected to a C-Trans CC220. On the right-hand side, we find information on the associated multi-sensor. By clicking on See Details, we can view its collected data in the sensor model area. Let's have a look at the sensor data area first. In the diagram, we can see the transmitted data from the connected MS200. The diagram just indicates that SCM-IQ receives your sensor data. We don't have to look deeper into the curves. This will be part of our expert series. If we now want to train a new model, we click on the button to the right, Train New Model. If this is the first model you train, you will find the button on the bottom of the page. Now we have to fill out the given form. First, we give the model a name. Under description, we can enter additional information like the time span we use or conditions and operating modes of the asset. For the multi-sensor data, a CNN model is used for the anomaly detection. This and the used inputs are filled out in advance and cannot be changed. In the next step, we can activate the feature of training optimization. This feature optimizes the AI model that is being created, and we suggest using it in all standard applications. On the bottom of the form, we can choose our time intervals that provide data for the training in the area used training periods. First, we will train the reference condition. For this, we choose a time frame in the box on the right-hand side. We recommend choosing a time frame of 7 or less days, so the curves will have a high resolution with hourly values. That enables us to see the data very clearly. If we choose a longer period of time, the values will be higher aggregated and the curves leveled. Please keep in mind that you cannot train today's data, only yesterday and earlier. Let's confirm the changes to reload the chart. With the buttons to the right, we can change between zoom and selection mode. We find our selected time spans marked in gray in the diagram and additionally also separately listed below. There we can delete our selections individually if necessary. Once we have chosen the relevant reference times, we can click on Save and Start Training. The training of the model can take several minutes, depending on the time frame selected. Now we are back on our sensor models area and can see our sensor model listed in the lower area with the status Preparing for Training. If we click on this model, we can see detailed information displayed on the right side in the gray bar. The different labels attached to the models show the status of each model. Draft, Preparing for Draft, Training, Ready or Running. As soon as our model changes to Ready, we can activate the model by clicking Run Model. With our model now running, the supervision of our assets started and the AI is continuously monitoring your system. In this video, we covered how to train a data model with the data collected by the MS200. Thank you for watching and see you next time.